So let's say you've taken it upon yourself to really improve your Gmail game. There's a number of settings that you can control in Gmail that will help you send more professional looking and sounding emails. When you're on your Gmail screen, look for the Settings cog, click on the cog, and go to See All Settings. Under General, there are a number of settings that you can control that will help you send more professional looking emails. First, Undo Send will allow you to undo a sent email within a certain amount of time after you hit send. In other words, it basically holds it for that amount of time, and if you decide, no, there wasn't something quite right about it, and it's still within that time, you can unsend it, and nobody who is supposed to receive the email will receive it. You can make adjustments, fix it however you need. Default reply behavior. There's two options. You can either reply or reply all. Typically, the default reply behavior should just be reply. It's not very often where you need to reply all to an email where a number of people have been included as recipients. So unless everybody needs to know the information that you're sending, you would not want to use reply all, so that default behavior should just be reply. The default text style, there are a number of default texts that you can choose, a number of different fonts, text sizes, text colors. Really what you're looking for there is you want to have a professional looking font that will be easy for the recipient to read. You generally don't want dark colors on a dark background or light colors on a light background because that makes it difficult to read the email. You can turn grammar suggestions on. That will help you improve the grammar in your emails. You can turn spelling suggestions on. That will help improve the spelling. Autocorrect and Smart Compose are really great features. They basically, I know it's kind of creepy, but they read your email and they check it for how it sounds, the tone, that kind of thing, and they make suggestions as to how you might want to improve that if that really is how you want the email to sound to the people who are reading it. So there's a number of settings that will help you write more professional looking emails. If you want to send more professional looking emails, it's not a bad idea to include a signature file with all of your emails. This is also found under the general settings. You can create a signature file, have your name, title. It can have contact information such as your phone number with extension, those sorts of things. It sends the message to the recipient of the email that you have specific job duties, how they can reach you, that kind of thing. It's a great way to let them know that kind of information. So there's a number of different ways that you can use Gmail to help you send better, more professional looking emails.